Trivia Quiz Train presents Are You Smarter Than a Fifth Grader? Earth and Nature Part 2. Can you and your kids answer the next questions correctly? Question 1. What do we call animals that eat only meat? Answer: carnivores. Question number 2. What do plants absorb from sunlight to grow? The answer is energy. Question number 3. What is water changing into gas called? And the answer is evaporation. Question number 4. What covers most of Earth's surface? The answer is water. Question number 5. What do we call animals that eat plants and meat? And the answer is omnivores. How many did you get right? Thank you for watching and follow us for many more fun quizzes. Share this quiz with a friend or family. Bye-bye!